We're the Wolf family.
From Broken Arrow, Oklahoma.
We're hot dogs.
Our family loves to dance. That's how we got here. Last vacation, our family danced the Oasis of the Seas.
But on the Allure of Seas, we get more.
How much more? 5 centimeters more.
The Allure of the Seas is 5 centimeters longer than the Oasis of the Seas. We can fit a lot in here.
More places for the wolves to dance. Game looks, even at the playgrounds. Rita's Cantina.
A Coke machine with 106 brands.
First ever Starbucks at sea.
And thanks to renowned artists like Brito, the Allure has world-class, thought-provoking artwork everywhere. There's artwork everywhere.
On the Allure, the golf is golfier.
The pools are poolier.
Shrek is Shrekier. You really can fit a lot in 5 centimeters.